In this video, I want to introduce to you a site like prosper.com, where this is where individuals like you and I can give out loans to other individuals who are trying to loan some money. Otherwise, they would be loaning money from a bank. Most banks say no, so individuals with different credit ratings go to a site like Prosper and crowdsource. Let's say they need a $100,000 loan. They take $1,000 from you, $1,000 from somebody else, $500 from somebody else, and so on, and they get to their full amount. Now, there is some risk involved here because obviously the person borrowing money from you can default on this. But overall, it's generally safe because, first of all, a lot of people do it successfully already. You see there's $17 million borrowed, they claim. And if most lenders were losing money, this model just wouldn't work for them. So you can trust their shared experience, but do know there is some risk, but you can make your money work for you here at times better than the stock market. At different times, they've shown the average return is 6%. My friend and colleague, Nick Loper, who also helps people identify ways to make money online, has tried this for himself. And even though I don't use it, I trust him. And he said some select loans that he gave out earned him 10%, which you'd be lucky to get that in the stock market. Obviously in the stock market, people dream about earning thousands of percent return, but most people would be lucky to get a 10% return overall across their entire portfolio. That's considered a win. And so that's what you can do also in this case with arguably less risk. Who knows, maybe equal risk, but it's simpler and it's accessible to everyone. It doesn't require trading or stock market knowledge skills. So what you would do is you would go and you invest and you just go and get started and see if it's for you. Obviously, it's not available in every country in the world. There's a lot of restrictions. You'll have to see. But if you have money that you can invest that's laying around, you can make your money work for you by earning you more money through a site like Prosper. There are other microloan sites like Kiva.org and similar ones, but I chose this one because from my understanding, it's the easiest to use and get started for most consumer level people. Like, we would be not experts in this field, so this site will be one of the better ones, one of the simpler ones for us. Of course, you can Google for micro lending sites and you can see there's dozens of them. Some are less, some are more reputable, some specialize in different things. But this one I feel is a good starting point because it's general enough, it's simple enough, and it's trustworthy enough to get started. Obviously, remember, there's risk, but anytime you make your money work for you, there is risk. In that scenario where your money works for you, you can't avoid risk entirely, but this is one of the safer and more reputable places to make your money work for you.